quite so lucky right now. All right, winter is here. Lechon is almost here. Hanukkah is here. Christmas just days away. So much is going on. And next weather chief meteorologist Ivan Cabrera tracking where that cold weather is, and
maybe
also checking out the festive forecast.
Holly and Jolly with the turkeys that we partner.
Together
we'll have like this huge pasture for given things that we eat. All right, as we check it, very bright winter nights. Let's take you live pictures there. A gorgeous sight ongoing. This happens between 6:30 and 10:30. The event will continue, by the way, through January 8th. You have plenty of time to go check it out. Temperatures will be in the 70s for the remainder of the evening, and we'll do that with mostly clear skies. It's been a gorgeous sunset if you caught it. We have a lot of clouds around, and that causes scattering, and then you just get these gorgeous horizon views there. 77 is the current temperature. We should be in the upper 70s. We cheated today. 82 was the daytime high, 3 degrees shy of the old record, which is in the mid-80s. We are not going to be talking about record highs after Friday for some time here. Temps, again, in the 70s. A couple showers, nothing like yesterday, but we talked about a few coming off the Atlantic here, and that's going to continue, I think, for the rest of the evening. Yeah, but we'll be in much better shape, and most of us will stay on the dry side. 50s already. We had one front that came through that's triggering the showers south of us here. That is not the polar plunge. That remains still across the northern tier of the country. I mean, this is just brutal stuff here. Minneapolis has been well below zero. Factor in the wind, which at times, once this blizzard gets going, will, make it feel like about 40 to 50 below zero. So dangerous for them. We are going to get a piece of that, certainly here across South Florida, but nothing like what they're experiencing. But even places like Texas, down in Houston, Dallas, they're going to be in the teens as well. So if you're traveling, keep that in mind. Here comes the front on Friday. Before that happens, a couple of more showers tomorrow. And then as the front actually comes through here, I think we'll have a better shot of seeing showers, even some thunderstorms. Watch the clock here for tomorrow. Not much doing on Thursday afternoon, and then the front comes in. There you see the showers and storms kind of coalescing ahead of it, and then pushing south and east, and then the bottom drops here. That's when the cold air begins to funnel in through Friday night. You're going to go to bed with temperatures likely in the 70s. You're going to wake up in the 40s if you wake up early enough there. Maybe you'll sleep in and skip it, but even in the afternoon, it's still going to be chilly with highs only in the 50s, but the overnight lows will be dropping well below normal for this time of year. This is not going to be one of those nights where we call it radiational cooling, where the skies are clear and the winds are calm. No, this is coming in fast and furious here, and what that means for us is that wind chill will be a factor. So even the temperatures you see here are frigid enough. It's going to feel at times, I think, in some spots like it's in the upper 30s for Saturday morning. So that is something. If you're inside, you're bundled up, and you have heat, you're doing fine. Unsheltered folks are going to be in trouble, I think, for Friday night. May have to open some shelters. That's how cold it's going to be, certainly, to be outside. Temps in the mid and upper 50s for Noche Buena. It is going to be a chilly one here Christmas Eve and then Christmas Day. Yet again, we'll wake up with another morning with temperatures in the 40s, and if you think you can escape it, well, you're going to have to go south. I mean, we're talking about down towards South America maybe, because this is what you're going to deal with for Christmas weekend. Look at Orlando with temperatures here in the 40s for highs. That is brutal stuff, and will be a little milder, certainly in the 60s, but overnight lows are still going to be very chilly. Alert day for Saturday because of the cold. Once we get used to that, then we'll drop it for Christmas there, but still chilly in the 50s, and then the slow climb back to the 70s for our last week of 2022.